Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Thursday morning. It's about 11:13 as I'm recording this broadcast. We do have a winter storm warning in pink from now until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's very interesting what's going on. We do have a coastal front. I want to show you local temperatures as of 10 o'clock this morning. And the coastal front setting up from about Rockport down to Boston, just to the south of Providence. On this side of the front, milder ocean winds blowing in from the east at 10 to 25 miles an hour means temperatures in the 30s. But the 128 belt points north and west, temperatures are still in the 20s. Slowly, this coastal front will be making inroads off to the west this afternoon. Now, as we look at the mosaic radar, you see a burst or a band of rain now hugging the coast of Maine, Massachusetts, of course, just east of Boston, raining on the Cape and raining just to the south of Rhode Island, coming into Long Island at the present time. This rain area will be expanding inland, but slowly this afternoon. Chatham radar shows a heavy burst of snow. You can see the greens and the oranges and the yellows representing heavy snow now falling just to the south of us. And this band of snow will be making inroads into Boston probably around midday and then pushing off to the north. So for a while, it could be snowing at the rate of 1, 2, 3 inches an hour. As we look at the latest surface map, you're going to see low pressure now just to the east of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. It's going to be moving north-northeast, moving right up over Cape Cod this evening. And that means we're going to get shut off with a precip. I think we're going to get a dry slot coming up into the southernmost New England by about 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. The rain's just going to shut off, and that's going to be it. We may get a little backlash snows here well after midnight in Boston, but I think the heaviest of that is going to be well to our north and west. So how much snow are we going with? Well, we're going for 1 to 3 inches on the Cape and the Islands, what they've already had, and maybe a little bit of backlash for them, but not much. 3 to 6 inches in coastal South Shore. I'm still going with 4 to 8 inches in the greater Boston area. That's why we give a range. I think we're going to get at least 4 and perhaps up to 8 inches in a very short time. And from 495, 6 to 12 inches plus, that's the jackpot. Forecast for Boston goes like this. For today, snow will become heavy at times. It will be changing to rain first along the coast with a rain line working inland. There could be a transition for a time where it's sleeting and raining, and the rain works inland during the afternoon. Big range in temperatures, 20s in the far northern and western suburbs. It'll be in the 30s, middle and upper 30s downtown Boston. Now, overnight it could rain hard early this evening in Boston. Then the rain's going to shut off, but heavy precipitation continues well to the north and west. Temperatures called fall back by dawn, 28 to 32, perhaps with a little snow in the air in Boston. Here's your 5-day forecast. Starting with tomorrow, partly sunny skies developing and windy. It'll be in the 30s. Saturday, chance of some light snow. Right now, it doesn't look like a big deal. It could be a couple of inches of snow at the outset. That's about it. Temps there freezing. Partly sunny, windy, and cold on Tuesday in the 20s, then dry thereafter for the next couple of days. That's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm Mark Rosenthal.